kind of smartwatch with a certainly unique design. Thanks to the 5 physical buttons with visual and haptic feedback. Wait, no touchscreen? Right, this watch was designed for your grandparents. But don't worry, you'll have plenty to touch. Configure the watch with the companion app according to the needs of your loved ones. Set medication reminders. Get heartbeat and activity information. Or be notified in case of a fall. The standard wristband connector allows full customization. We can't always be with our grandparents, but we can stay connected to them. A sense of safety. The new GrandWatch.